Well, we are at Westdijk Aquarium and pet shop in Barendrecht, in the city of near city of Rotterdam, in the Netherlands. And well, what you can see here basically is a tank that's running on well, for about a year or so. Especially this year, the edition we created here is very special. Tank is running on very much light. We have the GBL German manufactured light system in the front.
Okay.
And we have the Eheim light system at the back. So it's a little bit best of both worlds. What you can see here right now especially is about 2 or 3 months old.
Okay.
It's very well, very young tank, but the plants that are situated in this area and in that area are already growing for 2 or 3 months. The Mycotrimonium, which you can say right here, is for about a year old. So we updated it recently. And well, we're quite satisfied with it right now. We have a system that's running on CO2 for almost 10 to 12 hours a day, and sometimes we keep it on at night.
Yeah.
That's because the plant's
Keep the level
combust level is very high. Well, you can see that the fish are thriving also. That the colors are already very neatly showing. And well, that's it. And we do not take often water changes, about once or twice a week, small amounts.
Mm-hmm.
And we do not like to put our hands in very often.
Okay.
We add frequently plant fertilizer daily, small amounts,
Okay.
1 or 2 milliliters, something like that. And we keep it very tight. But well, that's it basically. We do not like to make our hands wet a lot, so that the tank gets the rest it needs. And if we need to take action for trimming the plants, we do it when it's urgent.
Okay.
So the plant gets enough time to recoup itself, and well, that's it basically.
Yeah.
Very simple maintenance. let's see what it does in the couple of years ahead of us. And maybe we need to take action on something which is growing too fast or too slow. And we also put in plant fertilizer in the bottom. There's Manado on the bottom, which is already about a year and a half now. So it's remarkable that the plants are very thriving like this. It's remarkable. We do not understand a lot about this tank. It amazes us. It's very very nice. Yeah. But the maintenance schedule is very simple, and every day of the week someone is here looking at it, just looking at it, and I think that's the magic key to success.
Just
making sure everything is all right, and lots of CO2. That amazes me also, because the pH levels and the KH levels are already doing this. So, wow, it's a remarkable tank, and we're very happy with it.
Yeah. It's a great job.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's come out quite well.
You were amazed by it also?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, nice. But my guessing is that the lighting system on this and the CO2 levels are the key to success.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, well, let's see if the rest of the world wants to do this also. Let's try, and let's see what the other hobbyists and professionals have to say about this. But this is our trick, and well, it's not a secret. It's not a best kept secret. It's just we are just doing something which works out really well.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah. In the beginning, we thought, well, the microanthemonium is very special. Maybe it does it, maybe it doesn't. So, well, it's about 3 to 4 centimeters. It's amazing. We began this tank with little fragments all over them. Just putting it back. Oh God, they are dark, you know.
Yeah.
So, well, and after a few months, it starts developing the growth from vertical to horizontal. It lays flat, if we say that in Holland, and then it goes and it goes and it goes, and it went on. And about after a half a year, we grabbed the scissor and we rigorously trimmed it. It was awful to see after that, but the plant just kept on growing.
Yeah, recovers quite well.
Recovers quite well. Yeah. And it has had many escapes, but this escape recently came out, and it suits our shop. Yes. It shows the variety of plants we have in stock, and keeps keeps our customers triggered to do the same. So, well, yeah, that's also the main point of this tank, to show what we can do with plants, and to inspire others. So, well, let's see what America thinks of it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay.
That's quite good.
Well,
Thank you.
That's the story.
So perfect, man.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks. Yeah, man.
Die planten mag er nog even op.